Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here. You already know how we do it here on the channel. Starting off with the funnest part of this video, we're going to be drop testing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus with Casetify's popular cases. We got their impact case over here on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Ultra impact case over here on the Galaxy S23 Plus. Both of these cases do provide their eco shock absorption technology to help with that impact. It absorbs that impact when both of these phones are dropped on a hard surface. And then inside of the cases, we got that tree root inspired twister that also helps give it that ultimate cushioning to protect both of these devices. And just so you can see, let's get a close up here. Both of these are working devices, as you can see here. We don't use dummy devices on this channel. And both devices also have a tempered glass screen protector on them. Just want to go ahead and mention that. Over here on the Galaxy S23 Plus is actually a tempered glass screen protector from Casetify. So these tempered glass screen protectors actually aren't as durable as the actual display on the devices themselves. So if these cases are able to protect these tempered glass screen protectors, we know they're doing their job. But let's go and get right into it. So we'll go ahead and start with, a light drop here with the impact. With the Ultra Impact case, we have up to 11.5 feet of drop protection. And with the Impact case, we have up to 8.2 feet of drop protection. But we'll go ahead and start off small with about 3 feet right here. 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, here we go. Let's go about, about 5 feet, I would say. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh, okay, so we got the S Pen coming out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is normal, something we can always expect to happen. So here we go. We got about 6 feet right here. 3, 2, 1. Boom, woo! That S Pen went flying. All right, so let me go grab that S Pen really quick. Boom, 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 boom. I don't want no cuts in this video. I don't want you guys to think I'm switching out devices or anything like that. But so far, let's take a look at both devices here. Let me get these unlocked. Let's see, all right. Okay, my fingerprints, okay. I just installed this screen protector on this device right here, and I forgot to redo my fingerprint. But as you can see, still functioning properly, no problems there. And the displays, the screen protectors on both of these look good. I don't see any cracks. And if we want, we can go ahead and drop them just one more time right here, just to, check out the drop protection on both of these. We can just throw them around if we want to and, see how protective these cases are with these devices. My wife's getting nervous over there because this one's actually her phone right here. But, okay, let's take another close look at them. The screen protectors are looking good. It's just my dirty fingerprints all over them. Let's take a look at the back of the Galaxy S23 Ultra here. Let me push back in that S Pen. Just got some dust in the back. See, so you can see the device is looking good. So that impact case definitely did its job there. Let's go ahead and look at the S23 Plus. The back of it is looking good. Those camera lenses are looking good as well. No cracks or damages or anything. So as you can see, with the Ultra Impact case and the Impact case, you're gonna get the protection that you need. Honestly, I don't see anybody dropping their phone from, higher than 10 feet in the air. I mean, who's gonna be throwing their phone around like that? But so you can see this case does say fragile because there is a fragile device in here, but with this case on it, it ain't so fragile anymore. You can throw it anywhere that you want. But let's go ahead, head back inside and take a closer look at the cases and the devices themselves. All right, so I have made my way back inside, and as you can see here, I have tons of cases in front of me from Casetify. Over here to my left, we have both of their Impact and Ultra Impact cases for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And then over here to my right, we got tons of their Impact cases for my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me apologize ahead of time if I do sound a little bit weird here in today's video. I've been really sick lately, but we're gonna get this video done anyway. So, as you saw from the drop test, of course, these cases are very protective when it comes to protecting your Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. So Casetify is known for giving that ultimate protection for your devices, but not only that, they're also known for giving tons of designs when it comes to their cases for either their Impact case or Ultra Impact cases. As you can see here, I got a bunch of different designs here. To the right, we got this one that looks like we're looking inside of the device with the battery and all the internals and all of that. We got a dragon on this one right here. We got like the smoked green clear case, which actually looks really cool. We got some over here with their Casetify branding. As you can see, we got some with my name on it. So not only are they known for offering tons of designs on their cases, and when I say tons of designs, I mean tons of designs. If you go on their website, you can scroll and scroll and scroll and just scroll forever, and go through the many designs that they have available for their cases for these devices. But not only do they offer tons of designs to choose from, but you can also customize these cases to fit your liking, whether you want to put your name on it, maybe a certain word, maybe somebody else's name. If you want to put maybe a certain picture on the back of a case, they have tons of options to choose from to either pick a design or customize a case yourself. And if you do find yourself interested in any of the cases that I have here, or maybe you want to go and customize your own, make sure to use my special link down in the description below to get yourself a little discount so you're not having to pay full price for these cases. I'll make sure to put that discount code down in the description below, that special link, and also in the pinned comment as well. But let's take a closer look at these cases here, starting with the impact case on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is the case that we did the actual drop test with. As you can see, we got a pretty cool design in the back, just letting us know that this device is fragile, but not the case itself. The case will protect this device. But taking a close look here at the camera lenses in the back, as you can see, we are getting a nice deep cutout for those camera lenses to prevent them from hitting any flat surface. If you happen to accidentally, drop it flat down on a flat surface like that, it should give it just enough lift to where those lenses will not hit any flat surface, giving them that good protection. And then going to the front as well, as you've seen from my drop test, the display will also be protected because you're getting some pretty good sized lips on the top and the bottom as well. Same thing, if you happen to accidentally drop it flat down on a flat surface like that, it should give that display some nice protection. Then going to the buttons over on the right side, we got the volume rockers and the power button. As you can see, the power button working good, nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Same thing with the volume rockers. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive as well. Going to the top, we do got a cutout for that microphone up there. Nothing over here to the left. Going down to the bottom, we do have precise cutouts for the charging port, microphone, speaker, and that S Pen. Let's see if it's easy to take out. Yes, very easy. No problems there. So as you can see, not only do we get a cool design, but we do get some great protection all around the device as well. And it actually fits good as well. It fits like a glove. You can hear that snap on there when I snap it on the device itself. And as you've seen by my drop test, the device is not going to fall out of this case, so it does fit on there nice and secure, and it doesn't add too much bulkiness to your device either. Now, I do gotta mention that these cases are made from 65% plant and recycled materials, and it even says right here on the case, this case is made from recycled phone cases. So not only are they providing protection for your device, giving it a cool style, but they're also trying to save the planet here as well. And one thing that does help give your phone some good protection with these cases, as I mentioned earlier during the drop test, we got this tree root inspired design on the inside of the case, as you can see here, which helps absorb that impact all the way around your device when you do happen to drop it. And it also looks cool on the inside, as you can see there as well. But we'll go ahead and try out all these different styles really quick. So you know what this one looks like. Let's go and try out my custom case right here with my name in the back. Look at that, nice matte finish in the back. So if I happen to lose my phone, hey, you know whose phone this is. Let's go ahead and take a look at this dragon design right here. This actually kind of matches the back of my phone. It actually kind of goes with this green color of the S23 Ultra. Very cool looking as well. And then of course you got the Casetify branding around the camera lenses. Let's move on. Now this one does have kind of that smoked green transparent look to it. Not looking too bad, looking pretty cool as well. And of course, all of these cases are going to give you that same protection. And then we have their gradient case right here, which is an exclusive case, which they have partnered with Samsung. As you see, Share the Epic shows there on the bottom, looking really cool. And this one actually does go with my green device right there. Very, very cool. And then I got another one right here with my name on it. And then we got one more over here. And this one is going to kind of give you that look as if you're looking, at the internals of the Galaxy S23 Ultra there. But what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. Let's go and take a look at the cases for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So moving on, as I mentioned earlier, this is their Ultra Impact case. And the difference between this one and their Impact case, as you can see, if you look at the corners at the top and the bottoms, you get that extra bumper up there, that extra cushioning that's going to help it absorb more impact, giving it a higher drop protection. Like I said, at 11.5 feet, at up to 11.5 feet of drop protection. So if you happen to drop it like this, very hard at that height, it should give it that protection it needs with those extra bumpers on the corners, as you can see there. But looking at those camera lenses, again, a nice deep cutout to prevent them from hitting any flat surface if you do happen to, drop it flat down on a flat surface. And then going all the way around the device, you're getting a nice lip there to give you some nice razivity, as Flossie Carter would say, if you do happen to drop it on a flat surface like that. So it's going to prevent that screen from touching the surface, but actually feels really good in the hands as well. These cases aren't too heavy and it doesn't add too much bulk either. It's really just adding to the corners right there to give you that extra protection. It's not adding any more bulk. But this is what the case is going to look like on your device. Of course, we do get the volume rockers again and power button on the side. As you can see, power button working great. Volume rockers nice and clicky, nice and responsive, as you can see there. Going up to the top, we do have that cutout for the microphone, nothing at the left. Going down to the bottom, we got precise cutouts for the charging port, microphone, and the speaker as well. And yeah, this is their Ultra Impact case. Again, giving you kind of that look like you're looking at the internals of the S23 Plus. And then of course we have more cases over here, which we will go ahead and try on. And then once we're done, we'll try out wireless charging. So this is going to be a custom case, transparent case with my name on it. And as you can see, I am having a bit of a hard time putting it on the device, and that's how good it fits on these, nice and snug like a glove, so the case will not fall off of your device. So just a nice see-through back so you can be able to show off the backing of your device, but I still got my custom name right there in the back. And then let's go to this one right here. This one has a pretty cool look to it, a nice matte look with some Casetify branding in the back, as you can see there, and actually feels really good as well. Feels really good in the hands, not adding too much bulk to your device. And then we got that exclusive gradient case right here. Once again, let's see. Oh yeah, boom. All right, there we go. As you can see, it snaps on really, really good. Cool gradient look to it. Let's move on. That same green smoke transparent case, boom. Actually looks really good with this cream color right here. The cream color still shows through, but giving it a nice green tint. So not looking too bad there at all. And then we got one more right here, another gradient case. All right, let's see. Boom, I'm having a hard time putting this one on. There we go. Fits on there nice and tight. So like I said, you're not gonna have any problems with this falling off of your device. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw back on a Ultra Impact case so we can check out wireless charging with the Ultra Impact case and the Impact case. So as you can see, I got a wireless charger right here. I'm going to turn it on and let's test this out. So go ahead and throw it on there. Let me make sure my charger's on. Okay, here we go. As you can see, wireless charging does work with the Ultra Impact case. Let's try the regular Impact case. See if wireless charging works. Boom, wireless charging works with that one as well. So as you can see, no problems with wireless charging on either of these cases right here. But what do y'all think? Let me know down in the description below. Like I said, they have tons of cases to choose from on their website. I mean, you really can't go wrong. You're definitely going to find something you like. And if for whatever reason you don't, you can always customize your own to your own liking. Like I said, I'll have a special link down in the description below to get you that special discount. Now, I do want to give a special thanks and shout out to Casetify for sponsoring this video. Huge thanks to them for that. Like I said, check them out if you haven't already. If you did like this video and find it helpful, and if you did enjoy that drop test, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.